Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, guys, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. And of course, you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay. And these are the assets that I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have your check on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with KNX 1200. Okay, guys, this is KNX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Okay, this has been on uptrend for a while, and of course, after getting to this particular region, it was unable to break out above the resistance zone. So it started a downtrend, and I believe this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so we expect it to hit this target, and okay, it should hit this first, and right after that it should hit this one. And of course, if it breaks out from there, then it should be getting to this target right from there. Okay, and of course the final TP set is this. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of it and make sure you use a reasonable lot size. Okay, so I mean, use a reasonable lot size, and also make use of a good risk management system. Okay, so next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999. It had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. It so till it got to this particular region. Had a pullback from this support region, but it didn't go too far before going back down. Okay, it happens like this once in a while. Okay, whereby the market will decide to behave the way it likes. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. It had been on uptrend, got to this region, had a pullback, and of course played around there for a while. But as you can see, it's still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity based on the movement. Okay, based on the movement, if you should notice, it's been moving out in this direction. Okay, even with this, it is moving in this direction just the way we are seeing it. Okay, so it's more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. Paynex 999 has been on a very strong uptrend, and it is still buying at the moment. Got to this resistance zone and it broke out above it, and it is still very much strong. Okay, buying and buying. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Then the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, so let's check it out right from there. This is FX volume 80. After getting to the resistance zone right here, it was unable to break out above it, so it started selling right from there, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so we should watch out for that. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.